And so you might think, oh, I'm in a good situation. The insurance carrier of the other party is accepting that they caused the accident. They're going to pay for my injuries. They have full coverage. Well, think again, because the most favorite thing for an insurance adjuster to do to you is to accept liability for your claim and then say, oh, well, you didn't get very hurt, or those injuries couldn't have happened from the accident, and I'm not going to pay you very much money. Here's $1,000. It's like the favorite thing for them to do. So if you've been injured in an automobile accident, the most important thing you need to do is go to a doctor and get all of those injuries documented. You have neck and back injuries, things that, aren't visible to the outside world very easily. You don't have blood coming out of you. You don't have bruises, hematoma, broken bones, amputation, all that stuff. But you still want to prove that you got hurt. You're definitely going to need medical evidence from a professional to establish the nature and extent of your injuries. You're just calling the adjuster and saying, hey, your insured caused this accident and I want to get paid a bunch of money. Well, think again. They're not going to pay you very much money. You have to send in your medical records and bills. Then they're going to have those reviewed by a nurse or a doctor. And then that person is going to make a decision on how much money they want to offer you. And if you haven't tightened up your medical treatment, if you haven't gone to the doctor right away for your whiplash and gotten an x-ray and shown that you have whiplash and then followed up on a course of treatment, the adjuster is going to say, you don't have a link between the accident and those injuries. And don't come to a lawyer a year or two later asking, well, I need help establishing my injuries and I never went to the doctor. Because a lawyer, no matter how many lawyers you have, they're not going to be able to establish that. So the biggest mistake that people make that hurts the value of their auto accident claim is not getting the medical treatment that they need in a timely fashion. These are just a few things you need to understand if you want to maximize the value of your auto accident settlement. Now, there's other things you need to understand. That's why you need to watch the auto accident playbook that I put together. It's a playlist right here on YouTube. It's going to pop up right here. Go ahead and watch all the videos that I made so that you're prepared and know what to do to make sure that your rights are protected and you max out your settlement.